So guys, in this part we are going to work on our script, on our item data script. So let's go to our script. Here I'm going to create a new folder, going to call that for the items. And now let's go inside, create a new C# script, call that C# script item data. And we are going to use the scriptable object. So now let's open it. Here for now, I don't need to start an update. We can delete it. And instead of mono behavior, I'm going to change it to a scriptable object. And the reason that we are going to use the scriptable object because we want to reduce our project memory usage. So that is also the reason why we are going to use the scriptable object. Now here in the top, we want to write create the asset menu. Then here he asks us to, as you see, he asks us why I cannot show you the reason. It doesn't let me show you. Okay, because it asks us to add the two properties to it. First is our file name. And the name of the file name that we want to create is our item. Okay, and then the second one that we want to do is our main menu. So menu name. So menu name. Where's the menu name? Ah, it's because we need to do that inside of the parentheses. Exactly. See the menu name and the name. We are going to say it's a new item. New item. So now let's go save it and let me show you what is that actually. And as you see, when here I'm going to right click, create, we can create now the new item which we did here. As you see here, the name of the main menu is new item. Now let's go to our asset. Here I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call that folder items. Inside, I'm going to create new item. And I'm going to call that item food can. Yeah, we can call it that. Now we need to go back to our script again. So here in our script, we need to, first I'm going to make a header. Then the name of header, I'm going to call it information. We want to first give some information about our item. Here first, public string item name. Then we want public string item description. So what else we want? Okay, then also I want something else. I'm going to use another function. In the top, going to use enum. Going to call it item type. So Now here we want three kind of type. I'm going to make it equipable, consumable, and the last one will be our resource. So now let's go down. Here we need to refer the item type. Then also we want the icon for our item. So public sprite icon. And the next things that we need, we want when we drop them, we can see them. So we make it drop prefab. So here we're going to say public game object drop prefab. Now let's make another header. This time the stacking items. Then here first a bool function. So public bool variable can stack. If our item can stack the quantity or not, then we need a public int, and we want to know how far or how is the maximum amount that he can to stack. So now I'm going to save it, and let's go back to our game. As you see, when we are going to our items or food can, here our item name, I'm going to call it food can. Item description, this can give you or remove your hunger. And the type, because it's not weapon and it's not also a source, it's a consumable. I'm going to put it as consumable. An icon, we can go inside of our game asset. I'm going to lock this here. Then I'm going to item icon. I'm going to put this icon there. And here stacking items can stack. Yeah, we can say yes, we can stack. Maximum stack amount is how far we want to stack, maybe 10. So now as a challenge, I want you to do another for 5 times for the rest of our items. So now I'm going to our items, create new item, going to call it a small medicine. Now I'm going to unlock it, so then we can see the small medicine. This is our small medicine. This item is going to heal your want. Type consumable. Icon, we need to go to our item icons. I'm going to lock it, then I'm going to item icon and put the small one here as icon here, and then can stack. Yes, how far he can stack, maybe 20 or maybe 10. Yeah. So now guys, I'm going to do the rest because now I already did two. So you can do yourself also the rest of them. So and after you did that, I'm going to play the video again. So guys, I add another two, one for a small medicine and then water. Later we are going to work on the resource and equipable. For example, for equipable we are going to use the weapon. For now I don't have a plan to do that, but later we are going to do that. And after that we are also going to work the resource to, for example, maybe we can collect some resource and then combine them and get the new item from them. So now see you in the next video.